Hello my Monarchs! If you guys like to see how I did these nails, continue on watching. Starting off with my SAVILAND Gel X kit I got from Amazon, I'll leave the link down below. I have my nail tips pre-measured, using my electric nail filer to file down the tips. Now to file down my actual nails. Don't forget to dust off all that residue. An extra step I have been doing is using my cuticle pusher to push out all that dead extra skin from the cuticle area. Time to apply the nail tips. I'm going to be using the nail glue the kit came with. And of course, it came as well with the UV lamp. I want y'all to look closely at the method of how I apply the nail glue onto the nail tip, because how I do it has saved me from getting any bubbles or just messing up in general. Using not too much or not too little of the nail glue, I like to accumulate the nail glue in the very bottom of the nail tip. When you press down your nail, make sure you do this starting from the bottom and work your way to the top. And of course, go ahead and place it under your UV lamp. First nail done, I'm going to be doing the exact same thing to the rest of the nails. Now I will be cutting down the length. Buffing them down. And of course, cannot forget to dust off all the residue from what we just did. I'm going to be using these colors for now, which are Shiru number 30 from Sally Hansen and also 402 white nail polish from LA Colors. Starting off with Shiru, applying it on my middle finger. Using the white nail polish and applying it onto my pointer and pinky finger. Now for the fun part, I'm going to be doing the cow print using this black nail polish from Wet n Wild. Applying a good amount of that black nail polish onto my dish, as well with using my dotting tool to design the cow print. The cow print is very simple and random, and you can honestly do the design with the same movement and they would still look cute. Of course, making sure you do different sizes. Going to be doing the same thing to the rest of my nails off camera. This is how they look. Finally, for the last step is to use my cuticle oil, applying that to the cuticle area and smoothing it out to my skin. I've been wanting to do this cow print since the very beginning of me doing nails, but I think they came out super cute. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, share to those cow lovers, and also subscribe for more videos. See you guys next week. Bye!